will come to your more important point. एंग्जाइटी तो होगा ना स्वामी जी, मैं कैसे एंग्जाइटी से बच पाऊंगा? एक तो मैंने बोल दिया कि एक्सपीरियंस है ही नहीं, खामोखा आप उठा के बोलते हैं ये एक्सपीरियंस कैसे आप कर रहे हो? एंग्जाइटी जो आपके माइंड के साथ इकट्ठा है उसको आपने बाहर निकाल के इधर रखा बाहर, फिर उसको आप सोच रहे हैं कि उसको कैसे हम उसको चेंज करेंगे, एंग्जाइटी से कैसे बचेंगे, कौन सा पिल से हम बचाएंगे? वो अंदर है, अंदर वाले को आपने बाहर निकाल के आपने किया गलती. Then of course you have to overcome it. What is part of you, how you can overcome it? It's inside you. There is no experience. But you deliberately said, I am anxious करके ये anxiety को यहाँ से निकाल के वहाँ पे डाला and you want to overcome that. Then you are struggling. Of course you will struggle. But I have to tell you, there is no anxiety at all. There is no anger, there is no emotion. No emotion can be experienced by anybody. Because there is no subject-object difference at all in emotional experiences. Now the most important part is you have to stop the recurrence of this emotional experience. अभी हमें पता है कि this anxiety should not be there because it is not there at all in reality. I can cut it off instantaneously. But the fact is it can come again because you had this discomfort experience in the past associated with certain activities. जैसे कि किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया जोर से, या your son is not doing well, or the daughter-in-law is creating issues, whatever it is. These all are creating anxiety for you. Really, what is creating anxiety? It's all related to the way you think about that incident. So thoughts are the real cause for anxiety. Now the big question is, what is the thought? Where does it come from? Can we stop the thoughts? That's the next question. Because if you can manage the thoughts which is causing the anxiety, repetition, that can be stopped.